Hey yo guys, what's up? Milkvelvix here, and today I am giving you a video on New Year's. Oh my god. If you guys see this before, it is New Year's Eve today. If you see this after New Year's, I hope you guys have fun. This year's gone so quick. Like, oh my god, I'm going to lose it. Like, holy crap. But quickly guys, I am going to be playing some music. Sorry if I get a little bit of copyright, I'm just going to turn it up just a little. Never mind that, it's so loud and I'm going to get copyright, so no. Let the other guys enjoy it. One thing that's annoying about it is that you'll get found so easily. So I'm just going to go in here and actually turn it off for a minute. Because I'm just going to trash it for a minute. Sorry. I love that song, by the way. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, guys, oh, there. I hope you all have a very nice New Year. But leave in the description what you're doing over New Year. I mean, like, it's a new year, new start, I guess. All that shizzle that people lay on ya. New year, new me. But no, that is never what happens for me. Holy crap, I'm scared. Don't go that way, girl. But yeah, guys, if you want to leave in the description video ideas for me, nice. Just quickly gonna help. That doesn't help at all. But yeah, I am so excited for New Year. So excited. So yes, guys. We'll dance for food. Oh, dude. Ignore that it says map name on there. Like, I don't know why, but like it's playing up. But yeah, guys. Don't say really. Like, year's gone too quick. Like, oh my god. If you guys literally want to leave any suggestions down in the comments, I will do it because I'm struggling on ideas. It's hard to say, but I am. Really am. If I could have one thing right, I would do it. If I could get one wish for this new year, it would be the most amazing thing I would do. But yeah, guys, sorry that this is short. I've recorded this really late. I've got a lot of stuff on my taskbar right now. So I'm going to show you. Look at the time. It's so close to New Year's. But I'm going to keep recording for you guys because, like, New Year, going to be loads of new videos coming out, like, boom. Like, every 5-10 day. No, I'm joking. Every other day, I might just post one, or record it and then post it. Like, I'm going to have a schedule, and I'm going to do it this time, because I'm getting tired of just doing it whenever and getting you guys annoyed, so, boom! Yeah, but like I've just said about 1,000 times now, if you want to leave some suggestions in the comments, be my guest and do that. Because I need the ideas, for Christ's sake. But yeah, guys, hope you have a fantastic New Year's Eve, and I hope everything in the new year goes very well. I will be away for a bit, like, I won't be on YouTube for a bit, because I'm doing a little New Year's resolution where I help my family more. So I'm going to be helping my family more, so I might not be, like, if you play Roblox with me and you're on my friends list that you see me not on for a bit, I will be helping my family, because it comes to a point where New Year, you need to help. Like, for instance, all of my New Year's resolutions insist on me helping my family, so I just slide along with that. If you're doing anything for your New Year's resolutions, please tell me. Like, I need more ideas than just helping my family. I mean, I do. Why is that dude following me? But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to actually shut up and play a bit of music, because why not? So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and have a fabulous new year. Peace. For me to shoosh. Peace. No, actually, before I start this, I am gonna just be quiet for this, because like I want to record a bit, but I'm just gonna be quiet. This until this ends. Like, I'm sorry I only did like mainly one round. The round's gone forever, and I need to upload this. Like, actually, no, erase that. I'm not doing music. I need to upload this ASAP, because I am so worried that I'm not gonna get this in time for New Year. Because this dude though, okay, shout out to that dude that keeps following me. But yeah, if you have any suggestions for videos, I keep saying this on and on, guys. Like, I think my brain's messing up with me, but like, oh my god. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. No, I won't see you next time. I will see you in 2018. Have a fab day, and yeah, peace. Bye.